Hi, I'm Catherine from Just Fabrics, and today I'll be showing you how to make a fabric flower. All the fabric and the equipment we've used is linked in the description below. Pin your 12cm circle template to the fabric. Cut around the template and repeat this step 6 times. Fold your circle into quarters and press with an iron. Thread your needle and sew a running stitch along the curved edge. Make sure your thread is long enough so you can fit 6 petals. Repeat for the other 5 circles. Tie the ends of the thread together. Cut out a small circle using the matching fabric. This is for the back of your flower. Make sure your circle is big enough to cover up the hole in the flower. Decide which is the back of the flower and hand sew your circle so it covers the hole in the flower. Now for the front of the flower, find a button that covers the hole and sew into place. Now you have your finished fabric flower. I hope you enjoyed that make. If you did, leave a like and subscribe below. For more inspiration, check out our social media and our website.